In this point, in this character of Prospero, we will see the character of Prospero from Freudian lens. From the father of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud, we will try to analyze the character of Prospero. Now, according to Sigmund Freud, the brain has three parts. The part of a brain is to function and propel you for positive things in life, morality, goodness, rationality, अच्छाई, ये सब चीजें. And a part of the brain is to propel you to fulfill your desire, irrespective of morality, religion, culture, caste. It just knows pleasure. उसको फन चाहिए, happiness चाहिए. Immoral doesn't care, moral doesn't care, against society, against law, doesn't care. So a part of the brain that propels human being for positive, a part of the brain that propels you for fulfilling a desire, irrespective of positive, negative, whatever it is, and a part of a brain that balances between good and bad. Now, Prospero is a symbol of that moral balancing, according to some scholars. So, Prospero ही वो balance का symbol है. Ariel represent that positive side of the brain. Is a symbolic representation, symbiotic representation of positive side of brain. Ariel. Caliban represent that instinct, that darkness, that libido, that lust, that primal desire. And Caliban is a balance between them. So human being can only become complete when they have good side, and they also need bad side. Yes, they also need bad side because there are certain things, certain pleasures that you can only fulfill if you fulfill it, if you fulfill the animal instinct within, and there should be a balance between your negative and a positive. So Prospero, according to Freud, Sigmund Freud concept of psychoanalysis, फ्रॉयड के हिसाब से, सिगमंड फ्रॉयड वाज अ फादर ऑफ साइकोएनालिसिस, उनके हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम प्रॉस्पेरो जो है वो सिंबल, ब्रेन का वो सिंबल है जो अच्छाई और बुराई को रेगुलेट करते रहता है. So he is a moral guardian, so he can be called as a part of a brain which helps us to. So there were three parts of the brain: id, id, ego, super ego. Id, ego, and super ego. Prospero is a symbol of the part of the brain, सुपर ईगो, जो ईड और ईगो को बैलेंस करता है. मतलब नेगेटिव ईड, ईगो पॉजिटिव, और ईगो इज अ पार्ट उसको बैलेंस करता है. सो यू कैन डोंट हैव टू राइट द नेम्स इन डिटेल्स, बट यू कैन एटलीस्ट राइट कि प्रॉस्पेरो इज अ सिंबल ऑफ द बैलेंसिंग ऑफ, equating of the goodness, the virtue, and the vice. Caliban represent vice, Ariel represent virtue, and अच्छाई, or Prospero represent a balancing between them. So this is one point that you can write or you can avoid if you don't want to include Sigmund Freud, or you can write.